Wow. They have another package in it too.
Wow. What is this for, like 2 months?
I don't know. Is it? Oh, this is the bag. This is the bag. It's so cute. It's so little. It's so
Pause the show.
ocean. Okay, so we got some little stuff in here. So we got a smooth and slick hand body scrub. Hand and body scrub. That is so tiny. And then we got a and then we got a little it's in a box. Who puts this in a okay. Oh, this might be the highlighter or the it's a called Saint Lux.
Lux.
Oh. Oh, look at that. That's cool.
I like the color.
The color is cool. It actually really matches my skin though. Okay, that is the highlighter. Then we got a Twisted Sister 30-second curl spray. Wow, that is so tiny though. What is this one? Wake up call. Overnight regenerative facial treatment. And then we got this one is a Kush mascara. It's a milk mascara. Ta-da! Oh, I can't wait to use this one. Okay, I think that's about it in the bag. So we good. Oh, this one has a different one. The other one says
confidence comes from
something about confidence.
within.
Forgot what it says, but this one says force of nature. Yes. Okay. Let's see what is in the big bag. Oh, it comes in a special. This is the refresher. Oh, it says here refreshment.
Yep.
Oh, look, these are little stickers. They're so cute. Oh, this is going on my journaling. Okay, this is a razor kit. What? Oh, wow, that is so cool. Look at that. So there's a little cutting stuff right here. And the little razors right over here. Oh, wait, I need this though. Look, that is so cute. Wow. What is this?
Let's clip it to the mirror.
Oh,
Hang
wow.
it.
That is so cool. So they have 2 of this one. Like, that is so...
Cartridges.
That is so cool. Thank you, IPSY. That was pretty... So this is the refreshments, and then this is the ones that I paid for the month. But then this is a refreshment that I put in there together. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, stay tuned.